Hello, Max.
Hi.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Could you let us know a little bit about Anquan and what it's about? Yes.
Okay. Anquan is a company that was born in Singapore 2 years ago with the aim of taking deep scientific research and turning it into tech companies that can be commercialized for global application.
Yes.
In doing so, we are very proud to say that we have taken a technique called sharding, which has allowed us to create the world's highest throughput blockchain, we believe. We are already transacting at 2,500 transactions a second. We actually spun out a company called Zilliqa from within Anquan, which went through a coin launch just 6 weeks ago. We're very proud to say that it's doing very well, but it's still early days and there's a lot to come. So the idea behind Anquan is really to do more of this. We want to create groundbreaking technology from Singapore, and then we want to be able to scale it across the planet. We're very privileged in that we have access to a lab at NUS, which is doing groundbreaking research in areas of technology that we think are very relevant to today's world. So that's a little bit about Anquan and our mission statement.
For the viewer, could you explain a little bit about sharding technology? That seems like been a topic ever since Vitalik talked about it.
Without getting deeply technical, sharding is like dividing and conquering. Although there is a lot of content out there today about sharding, the way in which Anquan and Zilliqa use sharding is we shard the transaction. And what that means is that if we want to process 1,000 transactions, we might divide that into 10 blocks of 100 so that you have parallel processing. And although others are talking about the use of sharding, we've already done it. And we're already working on deployments that are using the technology, so we know it works.
What's the biggest getaway that you're looking at Money2020?
Meet people that have interesting use cases for both Zilliqa and some of the other things that we're doing at Anquan.
Do you have some words to say to, let's say, the Chinese audience and the Chinese developer community?
Sure. Be patient whilst Zilliqa launches its testnet, next testnet and the mainnet later on this year, because we're really looking for people to help us to continue to build that transaction rate and other pieces of the technology to a point where we have further large-scale deployment.
All right. Thank you so much, Max.
Yeah, really nice to meet you too.
Very nice.